Hello, I have a print commercial shoot tonight and it's in 30 minutes, so let's pack and get out of here.
Got my model bag, always a nude strapless bra and comfy shoes, my makeup bag for touch-ups, dry shampoo, and a hair clip because my hair is so big. Hydrating rose water mist, my favorite, some natural colored lip liner, AirPods for waiting around, and I always have my water bottle to stay hydrated. See you at the shoot! The first thing I do is head to wardrobe to meet with the stylist and also eat some snacks.
Okay, great. Oh, I can take it now.
Okay. Now that my thong's not showing, I'm goddess ready for our Halloween themed shoot. The company I'm shooting for is a pizza oven company, so I wait around while they set up and get some product shots and some pictures of the other models too. I head to my place and there's a lot of waiting around. More waiting and some more waiting. I get my pizza prop. I like to dance around in shoots to help create natural movement in the photos. Some more waiting around. And finally, we get a pizza break. So delicious. We take more photos and make some adjustments and finish up with more photos. We finally wrap and I even get to take some pizza home. Like and follow for more.